Lee, you got me. Thank you, and to yourself, Ashley, Hayes, Isaac, the entire team at Rear Rollers. Thank you guys so much. I am rarely surprised, and I truly am surprised. I really appreciate this. This is pretty awesome, man. I've never been given a mower before, and I normally am not a person that normally gets things. Thank you. That's all I can really say.
You've been so helpful, just knowledgeable, and giving us insight. And you helped out around the shop when you didn't need to. You just stopped by and gave us helping hands. So you definitely deserve it, man. Definitely.
Wow.
I can't believe you didn't know.
No, I didn't know. Of course I didn't know. I would never know this. But yeah, guys, get ready to see tons of great content. Obviously, this is going to replace the Tru-Cut because I don't have space for another mower, and this is going to be able to do all the mowing on the swale. This will probably do the front lawn duty. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. And again, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it.
Sorry about the bow. Bye.
Thanks.